Have you ever wondered how chocolate chip cookies are made in a factory?
Today, we take you inside a real cookie manufacturing facility.
This factory produces thousands of cookies every hour. Every step is automated, precise, and carefully monitored. Let us begin the journey.
The process starts with premium ingredients.
Fresh flour is added in exact measurements. Sugar provides sweetness and structure. Real butter gives rich flavor. And real chocolate chips complete the recipe. Fresh eggs are added automatically for softness and structure. All liquid ingredients are blended evenly. Every ingredient is measured with extreme precision. Now, all ingredients are ready for mixing. All ingredients are mixed together.
This creates smooth, consistent dough. Chocolate chips are evenly distributed.
Temperature is strictly controlled. Once ready, the dough moves forward. The dough reaches its perfect thickness and texture. Mixing speed and temperature are carefully controlled. Once mixing is complete, the process moves forward. The finished dough is transferred to the next stage.
Now, the dough is ready for shaping.
Each cookie is shaped perfectly.
The dough is divided into equal portions. This ensures uniform size and weight. Each piece is placed precisely on baking trays. Proper spacing allows even baking.
Workers perform a final shape inspection.
Only perfect cookies move forward.
Now the cookies are ready for baking.
This massive oven controls time and temperature. Baking begins.
Heat causes the cookies to rise.
The chocolate melts evenly.
Color development is carefully monitored.
Temperature stays perfectly controlled.
Timing is critical for perfect texture.
A rich aroma fills the factory.
Freshly baked cookies emerge.
Crispy outside, soft inside.
Next, the cookies must cool.
Cooling prepares cookies for packaging.
Airflow cools the cookies evenly.
Temperature is checked automatically. Cameras detect cracks or defects.
Only approved cookies continue.
Perfect cookies move to packaging.
Packaging begins immediately. This locks in freshness. Each pack is clearly labeled.
Packages are boxed for shipping.
Ready for transportation.
Efficient logistics keep supply moving.
Cookies are shipped worldwide. From factory to store shelves.
One bite tells the whole story.
This is how chocolate chip cookies are made.